Pero yung kamatayan ng tao basta nandyan, it will continue until such time na wala ng drug lord, pati wala ng runner-pusher. And it will last, if need be, until the end of my term. 5-year term. Makulong man ako o anong gusto nila, they can do it. I am ready to accept the consequences. Wala akong problema. Itatayo ko yung buhay ko dyan. Sabi ko nga, I will put at stake my honor, my life, and the presidency itself. Mabuti ang magklaro tayo. After 6 years na wala ako dyan, bahala na kayo. Alam mo ganito yan.